Our bedroom turns into a battlefield every night because of snoring. She says I snore like a chainsaw with asthma. I say she breathes like a Darth Vader on a yoga mat. We start recording each other sleeping as proof. One night, I play her a clip, pure snoring chaos. She says, "That's you." I say, "That's you." We play detective on our own sleep sounds, like CSI, Bedroom Edition. Turns out, it was the dog. On our bed. Living rent-free and snoring like a truck. Now we both sleep with earplugs and suspicion. Tag your snoring partner, gently, and follow for number 05.